Alright, I'm sorry about that. My phone just magically cut out for some reason, my last video. But to finish up my last video, I wanted to talk a little bit about if you're looking at van life or any kind of camping life, or going on the road with a minivan or a Sprinter or any kind of vehicle even, you might want to check out the color of the van, and that's something I wanted to cover a while ago. The reason why I got a white van is because I like a little bit warmer temperatures, and if you've ever had a vehicle that is black with like a black interior, those tend to be really, really warm and retain heat very well in the wintertime. So if you're looking to do more camping up north, a vehicle that is black in color or a darker like gray with a darker interior is going to definitely retain heat a little bit better than something that like mine that is white where the inside is like a light gray. But if you're in the tropics, it won't retain heat as much. But that's just kind of what I wanted to pass on to you guys. Something in your back of your mind when you guys are shopping for a camping rig to think about. Something that's white will definitely be better in the southern tropic climates. You wouldn't want to, I moved from a all black, black interior, even black rims, with window tint on it, Subaru Outback. I moved from that I used to camp in, and when I'd go down south and camp like on the beach, it would be so warm. It would be so hot inside. So the window covers do help, the Reflectix, but that's why I decided to go with a lighter colored vehicle, because if I am going down south to camp, it will not retain heat as much, which is actually nice. But when I camped up in the winter time up north, it was a lot warmer. The inside was pretty easy to heat. I imagine it's easier than compared to a white vehicle. So thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you for watching. Sorry my last video got cut off short. I appreciate all your positive feedback and your reviews. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and watch, and check out my Patreon. Appreciate it.